Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best high-precision torque wrenches on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Thorstone 1/4 torque wrench. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Thorstone 1/4 torque wrench is a reliable tool for precision work, ideal for automotive repairs, bikes, or small equipment. It features an adjustable micrometer for easy torque settings between 20 to 200 nlb, ensuring accurate tightening. Made from durable steel with a chrome finish, it's resistant to rust and corrosion. The clear laser-etched scale allows for quick reading, and its click feature provides a tactile and audible signal once the set torque is reached. This wrench is compact, lightweight, and comes with a storage case for easy transport and protection, making it a versatile tool for both professionals and DIYers. Number 2 is the Lexivan inch-pound torque wrench. The Lexivan inch-pound torque wrench is a precision tool designed for detailed and accurate work. With a torque range of 20 to 200 nlb, it's perfect for automotive tasks, small machinery, and bicycle maintenance. This wrench is crafted from durable, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel and features a corrosion-resistant electro-black finish for longevity. The high-contrast dual-range scale is laser-etched, making it easy to read, even in low-light conditions. Its reversible ratchet head provides both clockwise and counterclockwise movement for increased versatility. The Lexivan wrench includes a reliable click mechanism, giving a clear audible and tactile indication when the desired torque is reached. Pre-calibrated to within plus or minus 4% accuracy, it ensures precision right out of the box. It also comes in a sturdy storage case, providing protection and easy transport, making it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. And to finish, the first position goes to the 1/2 inch drive click torque wrench Hyrich. The Hyrich 1/2 inch drive click torque wrench is a versatile and reliable tool designed for automotive repairs, machinery, and more. With a torque range of 10 to 170 ftLb, or 13.6 to 230.5 Nm, it accommodates a wide variety of applications. Made from durable, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, this wrench is built to withstand heavy use. Its high-contrast dual-range scale is laser-etched for easy readability, even in low-light environments. The click mechanism provides an audible and tactile signal once the desired torque is reached, preventing over-tightening. It offers dual-direction ratcheting for added flexibility. Pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy, it ensures consistent and precise performance. The wrench comes with a sturdy storage case, protecting it during transport and making it convenient for both professionals and DIY users looking for quality and durability. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 high-precision torque wrenches that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.